Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax, and welcome to Unit 3415 in Bridal Crest Point. This is a well-managed, pet-friendly complex in Bridalwood. We're close to the schools, shopping, all the amenities, public transportation. Tons of upside here, and I'm really excited to show you. Let's go. Well, welcome to Unit 3415, top floor of the complex. We're a one bedroom, one bathroom unit, in-suite laundry. Here we have our kitchen, obviously, keeping with the open concept flow, large dining space, and living space. You know, for 700 square feet, they've really done a good job at maximizing this. Nice bathroom, everything is in great condition. This room here is quite large. Nice views, headed southwest. We get a lot of good sun here. I think my favorite part of this unit though has got to be this balcony. One of the largest balconies, a lot of room for a table and chairs, barbecue. So this unit, we just dropped it to $165,000. That also includes 6 months of condo fees as well. Let's just show you the in-suite laundry here as well. So you're not going to a laundromat downstairs or anything. A lot of extra storage. So awesome unit. You guys want to take a peek, or if you have any questions, give me a call. You know where to find me. Thanks for watching.